Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka North Liberty High Secondary School Kapadan Hamukerdub Jawai, West Giant Hills District. Sa Shisian Kalapao Biang ha ka result, Meghalaya Board of School Education jong ka examen High Secondary School Leaving Certificate. Ya kani ka result Hsslc. Lapan bana ha ka Southrik ujumang ha ka ba Ngut ki Khynnah ka North Liberty High Secondary School Jawai, kila yok bandrung biang ha ka top 10 ha ka science bat ka art stream. Ha ka science stream ka hakiru chalam kalawan ha ka kerdang ka bapra da ka bayo sauspa sanpusau marks kat ba ha ka art stream ka mewarika paryat kalawan ha ka kerdan ka bashipau da ka bayo sauspa liphoi marks u principal uba Richard B Urya u lapan pau ka jing snow sarong bat snow kmen ka ba kraw halor ka jing job jong ki Khynnah Skul kamtam ha ka West Giant Hills District ka balapoi khandai 4% habaro ki stream.
Congratulations, come here. Congratulations. So proud of you. Congratulations. You got in matric also, right? How was your exam yesterday? Very good university. Next to the cruise.
Actually, I don't know what's down there. I didn't expect much. But the pattern, the onboarding member perfect. Like initially, only by November, something the makla, we thought was CBSE pattern. We were preparing like nando no sedang by the embossed pattern. It was by now we had now discourage high, but then still we work hard as much as we can, and then in the end, work hard it pays off. It was. Yeah, I'm overwhelmed. So, ombay nga man kana ombay hapokas then mi close have the teachers campus. But then man po hini like chamo talk like like they were so friendly and all. Then nga now close now so at them okay. The for class 11 then I'm on ye how adapt talk wa ombay shift for a director. Then we adapt but then man po class 12 the self so high to come collect all the mod the tips up you know. On by you pidang 11, we thought 1 10 11 on by the science 5P. One on by come a big step ahead there. You pair her. Then everybody on 11 or you that behind there, but then class 12 one thought what do you adapt with the teachers with studies? There you could practice. And I am on top of like start how physics. But then prepare it that on by our best teachers in there. On by I would teachers young physics that they were so good and would be on come to there. The practice numericals and all. The come to her on by what of one physics on by Nusnam like has said pretty down do not distinction, but then them on top of the classmate of them start physics key, but then they were so good also. The we thought on by we thought what up the tang wom on expect all your distinction in physics. Tao wom on that was that Biang class. Tang wa kanya on the idea where your distinction again there. I'm grateful to God. Juniors, the next seniors I just want to say that whatever you do in your life, just remember firstly priority to put God first, and then remember to always work hard because the Christian them GMU betray Peter. The was start happy more less than your average, but then the Christian you can always reach the top. And I believe with hard work we can always reach whatever we want to. So that's it I want to say. Thank you so much. In the morning when we got the result, it was quite late. The result was I checked the result at 11 a.m. but then it came out at 11:25 I guess. So initially my sister checked my result and I saw that I got distinction in all the subjects. So I was quite nervous and I didn't expect that I will reach in the top 10 list. But then one of my teacher called me and she said that I got in the 8th position. So that was, I don't know, like initially I don't know how to react, but then I just cried and I hugged my mother and my father. So yeah, and but then firstly, when I knew that I got in the top 10 list, so firstly I thank God that it is because of Him that I reached in this position right now. It's because of the trust and the belief I put in Him that He gave me this much blessing. So I'm really thankful to Him, and I want to express my gratitude to my teachers, to the principal, and then to my friends, to my family who always supported me, and yeah.
Just think as
So my future plan right now it is to to attend the NEET next year. So hopefully I'll be able to get in the top colleges, and yes, that's my future plan right now. The message that I want to give to all the people who watch this, either to my juniors or to my seniors, I just want to say that believe in yourself. Whatever you do in your life, just remember that God is always with you, your family is also with you, and most importantly, trust in yourself, trust the process. Though it may seem difficult right now, but then if you keep on working hard, if you keep on believing that everything will be alright, then you will reach the destination. Thank you.
Overwhelmed with joy and gratitude. My heart is filled with gratitude, first of all, to God. I truly believe that with God all things are possible, and this success is the reflection of His grace and strength in my life. And I want to thank my family and friends for believing in me even though I doubted myself, and to the teachers. They did not just taught subjects, but they taught me how to be patient, how to think, and to be perseverance in my life. And I somehow expected to be in this position because I really work hard, and my gratitude goes to this institution for the guidance and facilities, and I thank all my friends for supporting me, especially my family, my mom, my grandma, and my sisters for their sacrifice and their love and their support. And choosing arts, it was not easy, as people thought that this stream was like not a very well path to choose, but to me I feel like I chose the right path, and I am happy to be here, and let's see how it goes. Pursue LLB, but I'm really not sure right now, and I'm really hoping I could get what I want, like pursue LLB and aim for UPSC exams and all. But my main aim is to be an MGS, to do it in the first try. Hopefully God will be with me like he is today, and I will get that. To my fellow young friends who are pursuing arts, I would want you to know that it's tough. The pressure from the teachers and friends and all, it's really tough, but you have to believe in yourself and put a lot of effort, dedication, hard work, sleepless nights, and you have to count on yourself and just believe that God will be on your side, and do well in your studies, and you will surely perform well.
A very good afternoon to everyone. This is a very happy moment, and it's a moment that we have all worked towards, and we worked towards achieving our goals. When I say our goals, it's our students, the school, and the community. Good results are rarely a product of luck. They are the direct outcome of hard work. And I believe our students have worked very hard throughout the year. They've had sleepless nights. And I would like to say they have been stubborn and refused to give up. And that's why this result has come. So I take this time to congratulate our district, West Jaintia Hills District. We have been able to secure more than 90% pass percentage in all three streams: arts, science, and commerce. And this speaks a lot about the effort that our government, our schools, our parents, and the community has put into education. And for North Liberty, this year, once again, my students have brought joy, happiness, and made me very proud. In fact, I feel a couple inches taller today. I feel a couple inches taller. We've seen the pattern of question paper change drastically this year. Not changing for the bad, but changing for the good. Because we know that under the able leadership of the Directorate, MBOS and DERT, the government is putting a lot of efforts into making our, not just our educational system, but even our exam system at par with the rest of the country. So I believe even with the change in the pattern and the structure of the question paper, many of the students had been very sad after the exam, but I'm glad that they can smile today after the results are out, because they have done exceptionally well. Now when we look at the art stream, our art stream is a very humble stream. Out of 100% students that come to our school, hardly 20% are the creamy students. 80% are students who are average and some of them below average. But one thing I'm very happy today to inform and to tell everyone who will hear this broadcast is that from the inception of art stream at North Liberty, no one has ever failed. And it's more than a decade that we've had art stream in North Liberty. No one has ever failed. And this year I cracked a joke with my teachers, today with the parents of the toppers. I think I should share it with everyone. There are things in life that are beyond our control. Beyond our control. When I looked at the total number of students that appeared for exam in the art stream, there were 55. And even though the teachers after the exams were not so happy with the way the question paper was, students were sad that they couldn't write everything. But I told them, look at the number 55. 55 has been a number in my life that God has put. It's not luck. Mark my words, it's not luck. But 55 is a number that God tells me I am in control. Be still and know that I am God. I knew that 55, something was coming out. And today, the results were a little late in coming because the internet all over July was jammed, the website was jammed. But ultimately, when I opened the result, I first gazed at the art stream top 10. And I was so happy when I opened and looked at the top 10, right at the 10th position. I told you that 55, it could have been 11th and we wouldn't be there. But right at the 10th position where we required it to be, Mewarika Paryat, our student, was there in the 10th position. And Mewarika Paryat is a student who I would like to congratulate, not only her, but I would like to congratulate her parents. I don't know, they might get angry with me when I say this, but even if they do, it's already on air, so I can say it. Mewarika got 5 distinctions in her matric. And for students in our district, 5 distinctions means Uddat by their science. See? But this is something that I regard the parents. They allowed Mewarika to choose what she wanted to do. And her choice was to pursue the art stream, and that too in North Liberty. And as a principal, of course, I was very happy. You get good students means you can produce good results. See? But what I mean to say is, I would like the trend to change in Meghalaya. Let us start thinking out of the box. Stop only dreaming of being doctors. Stop dreaming of only being engineers. Let's think of lawyers. Let's think of being judges. Let's think of being IAS officers, IFS officers. Let's start thinking of being politicians. We need good politicians in Meghalaya who can make good laws for the state as a whole. So I believe that with the new generation of students, they are more informed and they know what they want to be. So once again, I congratulate Mewarika Pariat for good results and for scoring highest in geography in the state. She scored highest in geography by securing 92 marks. And as I told you, I would like to congratulate the whole class. They got distinctions in almost every subject. We had 6 distinctions in English, 7 distinctions in Khasi, 2 distinctions in alternative English, 18 distinctions in sociology, 1 distinction in political science. We need more politics here. 16 distinctions in education, 2 distinctions in geography, 1 distinction in economics. We still need more economics or economists in this school, and 1 distinction in elective Khasi. So in a nutshell, that was the result of our art stream. Now moving on to the science stream, I would like to congratulate Hakirul Shalam, who's sitting right in front of me, for her confidence in North Liberty. She had done her class 10 from another school. I believe you have done it from Mazrello, a good school of Jawai. I also studied in Mazrello, so I knew that their products are good. And I was so happy that she chose North Liberty as the school where she wanted to pursue her class 11 and class 12. And for those who don't know, when she was in class 10, she was in the top 20 list. She secured the 16th position in the whole state of Meghalaya. And the good thing that we can draw from her class 10 result and her class 12 result, she worked so hard that she divided her position of class 10 by 2. And if you divide 16 by 2, you'll get 8, if my mathematics is correct. So I once again congratulate her for securing the 8th position and bringing honor and glory not just to the school, but to her mother, to her whole family, right? To her whole class. Your whole class are proud of you. They came and met me today. They are also proud of you. You made a difference. You made class of 2026 a special class. So I believe your graduation will be a wonderful graduation this year. And as a class, they had done very well. Of the 58 students who appeared, 54 were placed in the first division. I think that speaks for itself. It's sheer hard work, not just by the teachers, but by the students. Not just the teachers and the students. I always remind parents that the hardest work that is done in bringing good results is mommy and daddy. And here we see aunties also, maybe bayhats and baykians, right? The family plays a big role in the growth and the success of a student. As long as the family is still alive and strong, we have hope as a state. Now talking about the distinctions, our school got distinctions in many subjects. In fact, in all subjects, we got 35 distinctions in English, which is commendable. Out of 55, 35 of them got distinctions in English. 30 distinctions in Khasis. So I believe there is a lot of hope for Khasi in the future in our school. 1 distinction in additional English. And believe me or not, Maths department is the strongest department of North Liberty. Because every student who wants to be a doctor, after coming to North Liberty, they never take maths lightly. Am I right? They enjoy. we have the likes of Sir Rai, a very experienced teacher whose English is exceptional. Sir Rai had taught me when I was in college, even though I didn't study in Joai, but whenever I came for a holiday to Joai, I would go to his house and he would teach me engineering mathematics. And I'm so glad that voluntarily he has obliged to help our students with maths, among other teachers of North Liberty. So, in maths, we got 18 distinctions. I'll tell you, that speaks volumes to get 18 distinctions in higher secondary maths. And this goes, all hats up to all the maths teachers, all the students for their hard work, because if it wasn't for the teachers or the students, you'll never be able to get 18 distinctions. And in chemistry, which is also a very tough subject according to some of the students, not according to me. I enjoyed chemistry when I was in school. 9 distinctions in chemistry. And we know lots of them dream to be doctors, so why not? 12 distinctions in biology. And physics this year was a surprise. If we talk in the language of cricket, physics was a googly this year. So nobody expected it to be what it was. But however, in spite of that, we still were able to get 1 distinction, which was bagged by none other than Hakirul Salam. So thank you, Hakirul, for not leaving physics for us to fill the blank. You filled the blank, so there was nothing blank today. Hawakut kublaya sa chisin, yawarok ibagi pa yung Khynnah class 12 yung nag-arts kamjo lang nag-science. Lamto wa chania pika Skul yung mi yo ag result kamu yo ikan ni. Khynnah science kamtam ngati ba kat wan kre chitom pinto lu yung wat Skul. Lada api gurta ro sodong data mulai Skul. Henry nga hey jingyo yu khian yo nga kut walai sigi jelai go pher walai class 12 science rap bongi por Skul rap khajaki por yo jadi bagi pa wo bu ni chanya Skul ngai wo blai da kur khu yu pim to do ni result kamu ongki we should not take this success as the destination kini success untuk go kut yang berarti yang pi. This is only part of the journey. So enjoy the journey, and I wish all our students of class 12 a very safe, wonderful and successful journey ahead. May God bless you all, and do remember North Liberty in prayer. I know we have a lot of our weaknesses, but I also believe what the Bible says, in our weakness, God shows us strength. So I have never claimed in my life that our school is the best or that I am great. But we are what we are because of the grace of God. And today I give all the glory to God, because if it wasn't for God, we would not be here today. I don't know what tomorrow holds, but I know that God will be there in spite of all the struggles that we might face. But with humility, we just hope that God will see us through. Once again, Chihajargo, Kublai Chibon, Jai Hind, and for my friends in Garo Hills, I have my eyes focused at Garo Hills, because I wish that one day we'll have lots of Garo students coming to North Liberty. Mithela to everyone in Garo Hills. Thank you.